Okay, hello everybody, welcome back. All the ladies are... Hello, what are you doing? Yeah, I waited a little bit later to come out tonight, but they want their little snack because I always give them some food. Okay, it's all happening here, mate. It's waking up. They're like, he did come out to give us food. Of course they give you food. All the time. Can't wait until the 5 kilo automatic dispenser gets here. That's going to be really cool. Didn't do the water today, so I'm going to have to do that tomorrow. I was out today and about, so yeah. Anyway, they're all good for the night. I will give them more food, more water tomorrow morning. I'm gonna rake out this. It's terrible. Hello. They haven't escaping. Yep. I've woken them up. I'm not sure what's in there. Nope. Yeah, see, these things get in the way. Are you going in there? Come on. Hey. She wants on the other side. Yeah then, come on. Come on. In you go. There you go. Yes. Girls are a bit out of the little routine that they've gotten into lately, so... But... That's alright. Routine's going to change again when I go back to work. So, yeah. All good. They're tucked in for the night. I'll give them some clean water tomorrow. Rake out this area again. Yeah. Anyway. Thanks everybody. Enjoy your day. Well, the rest of your night. And, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.